What is LDP?
Loyalty, dedication, and patience.
LA.
Dot.
Batman.
That's what it is.
Is it like the movement y'all trying to bring forth? Is y'all like group?
Shit, as far as a group, man, we more than a group, we more as brothers. You know what I'm saying? But we try to keep the main humble, you know.
Cool.
Yeah, like we been doing this shit for a minute. Like we just trying to get serious with it.
How long y'all been doing it?
Shit, me personally, shit, like 5 years, you know.
3.5.
I just been freestyling.
You know what I'm saying? I got him rapping, you know what I'm saying? He wasn't even in the rap, we just freestyle in the car. Damn, he started rapping, then all of us got together, started freestyling in the car, and for nothing.
So like when y'all drop music, like how do you want the audience to see y'all? Like how do you want the audience to like view the whole group and just y'all individually?
I say, what they say, you make gangster soul music. So we got our own sound.
Yeah.
We got our own ways.
You can tell by our beat too. So you can tell if it's LDP the beat.
Yeah, you feel me? Like, we don't try to copy nobody, you know what I'm saying? We don't try to ride no other ways. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Us, you know what I mean? Nobody else, just us. We don't think about nothing else, you know what I mean?
So y'all call that your own genre, like gangster soul?
Basically.
Yeah, gangster soul.
Cool.
That's basically what we get for everybody. Like that's gangster soul music.
Yeah, like it ain't too hard and it ain't too soft, you know what I mean? It's just right, you know what I'm saying?
Cool.
Like, just right.
Talk about the Life on the Road mixtape. Volume 1. Talk about that.
Shit, hard work.
Hard work.
We put in that grind for this shit, you know?
Real grind.
Show them the mixtape cover. Show them the mixtape.
I'm gonna take this bitch out.
CD,
All that.
all of them fresh.
Shit, you ain't got it. Come get it.
See me on.
Yeah.
But man, shit, during the mixtape, man, I mean, it was kind of a struggle.
Yeah.
You know, at the same time, you know, everybody at work, you know, he had been in the studio late, you know what I'm saying? You know, he got other stuff to do, you know what I'm saying? We can't hold his time up because we can't, you know what I'm saying, make it to the studio in time. So
Cool.
it was a hustle, it was a quick thing, you had to go ahead and get it done, it ain't no playing around, you know what I'm saying? So,
Shit, we work. I mean, how we rap, we so different, you know, like, and we help each other.
Yeah.
Like, shit, when we motherfucker doing verses, I be competing with my brother, man.
Yeah.
I want my shit to be the best.
Yeah, I feel you.
I want my verse to be the hardest, but sometimes, shit, bro come with some crazy shit.
huh?
And this motherfucker might sing or some shit. That shit gonna be crazy.
It'd be crazy, yeah, we just put it together as we end up to it, so
Yeah.
So cause y'all said like y'all get energy from each other?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
All the time.
You gotta see us, y'all gotta see us in the motherfucking studio, man. One get an attitude, bro, we gotta straighten this shit out.
straighten
Real.
it up.
Okay, cool. So is there any other rappers in the Greenville that y'all like listen to or rap with, or like, you know what I'm saying, just want a future collab, or is it just more of some independent?
I mean, it's so tough, bro.
Man, really? Like, shit, open, we open, like, we wouldn't work with anybody, you feel me? Like, we ain't no hating, just other shit, like, shit, we trying to put on for the same city, you feel me?
Yeah.
But we really listen, you know. I listen to Big enough.
Shout out to Big E.
And Clap, I heard a couple of his songs. Shout out to Clap. We see Brian Murphy.
Shout out to Murphy God.
Q, I see you trying to work hard.
Everybody.
Yeah.
If I ain't shout you out, man, pardon me, but it's all spent love, you know what I'm saying?
So how's your approach to like other rappers in Greenville?
Shit. So we all people, so shit, just approaching as being a human being.
Yeah. So if you wanted to feature with them, would you like, you know what I'm saying, just be on?
Facebook, reach out to me like, hey, man, you know what I'm saying? I got a song you gonna hear, you're not gonna hop on it, you know what I mean? Nothing like that, you know? Like, might be like, hey man, I like that song you did, shit, let's do something like, something
Yeah,
similar.
yeah, cool.
You wanna pop that out, you know what I mean?
So you guys are pretty much like an open group, but like on some like we just friendly, but like we ain't like you know what I'm saying. We just us, pretty much.
But we really, I mean, we saying we ain't really working on nobody.
Yeah, cool.
You wanna work, you can make some hot shit, bro. Work.
So talk about how do you think drill rap is in Greenville? Do you think it's a thing still here, or do you think it's just more of a here and there kind of shit? Like,
I fuck with drill rap and shit.
could you guys drill rap? Like, do you
That's in
think
Chicago.
We never drill rap. That's not just around surrounding around here.
Yeah.
For the rapping about around here. We're going out there doing that every day around here. This ain't, you know what I'm saying?
So do you think it should be a thing in Greenville, or do you think it should just be something that
That's them.
just like a lifestyle? If it's their lifestyle, do you think they could do it?
Yeah.
Put your mind to it.
I do. I think they can.
So what could like the audience actually expect from you guys in like the next coming years?
More music.
Yeah, more music, work,
More LDP.
go to dedication place.
Mixtape. Never stop. Never gonna stop.
Y'all got anything on the works right now, or y'all just like you know what I'm saying, kind of kicking back, letting your mixtapes?
We got some
Got
shit.
some got something on there.
We got some shit. Just working on it. Y'all just wait.
You got making beats from. They want to making beats from scratch right then. Ain't no more go ahead and make something until we get there. Nah, we gonna make it when we get there. Work right then. You know what I'm saying? Lay it down flat.
What keeps y'all motivated to do the music thing? What keeps y'all going? Have you guys ever had any stumps, as in like wanting to like give up or?
Too many times. I mean, arguing. You know what I mean? Like, bro, man, I quit. I'm done with it. You know what I'm saying? Next day, 5 minutes later,
Ready.
man, go back to the studio, do your part, man. You know what I mean? Because, like I said, bro, we a family, you know, we brothers, you know what I'm saying? So, we stick together, man, we keep each other. You know, if you don't want to do it, we make them do it. If I don't want to do it, they make me do it. Got to. If you don't want to do it, we make them do it. If we all don't want to do it, I manage it. And shout out to OG Dad, man. They make that do it.
So y'all basically keep each other motivated in the whole rap. So what's y'all goals? Like what current goals are y'all trying to reach?
Man, I'm just
It
trying.
could be short term, long term.
Long time, bro.
Long time, yeah. I'm trying to
Long
do
time.
this.
Just
I do it because shit, we can do it. It's fucking easy, like. Then our music, man, we already know that shit. When that shit get out to more people,
Yeah.
that's why Life on the Road Volume 1.
So y'all gonna keep that a thing, just life on the road.
Yeah.
Life on the road until we make it off the road.
Oh,
And it's gonna be going
Yeah.
off the road.
Yeah.
And then after that, it's gonna be, I don't know. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So how hard do you guys think it is to like actually make it out of Greenville?
Shit, loyalty, dedication, and faith.
That's all it's gonna take.
That's all.
Grind. Shit.
Grind.
Some grind.
You gotta work, shit.
You know what I'm
Do you think it's real? Do you think it's like really hard for us to get out, like
Yeah.
and just?
saying? I think so.
Yeah.
I think
Everybody,
so.
everybody need to be together.
Yeah.
Once it come out, this motherfucker.
It's a struggle, man. It's a street. Everybody come together. That's crazy shit.
Okay, so let's just say that you guys make a track. You know what I'm saying? Something that you put some work into, put some hard work, but it's not one of the tracks that you put like your hardest effort into doing, but it's a track that you guys all like and you think that people like it. And then you find out the very next day that it becomes a hit. Like say like you wake up in the morning and you find out that your song that you just did is a hit. What's your next move?
Save it.
Save it.
Save it.
Save it to the right time. Don't just go put it out because this shit hot. I mean, this views on it now.
Okay, so better yet, let's just say you did put the song out, and then you wake, and then like maybe you put on YouTube and SoundCloud and all that, and I'm talking about y'all get like millions of hits, like 2 and 3, 4 million, and it's like trending. It's like a trending song, and these guys are hot and new song and underground rappers. What's y'all next move? Like, how are you guys gonna feel? Like,
That's just gonna motivate
Back,
me
back,
more.
back.
It's coming, we gonna push that going on. Push that work. For real.
Are y'all guys willing to just like off the gate sign to a major label, or you just on some we independent? Independent cool.
Where we from and where we gonna stay. You know what I'm saying? We might pop or whatever, but we need to come back. You know what I mean? We here. You know what I'm saying? We ain't going nowhere else. We try to fight for the road. You know what I'm saying? It's home. It's home.
So how can people like reach y'all? Like what platforms are you guys actually on? That people can like search you up and listen to. SoundCloud, Facebook. You have anything on YouTube? That Piff.
We got YouTube on LDP, ENT. We got on Facebook, LDP, MG.
Alright, so one by one, how would you guys want people to view you individually, personally, as a rapper? So like starting with you.
Yeah, I'm
As more, you know, I feel it, you know what I mean? He's a real cat, he not talking no drill like he gonna kill, he talking about the real. You know what I'm saying? Real, you know what I mean? Not the, I'm gonna kill, you know what I'm saying? It might be, but, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like I said, I want people to see me as a real rapper, something to help the community, you know what I mean? Not to be a bad person.
More positive.
Not a bad person, you know what I'm saying? Just rapping, but still outside of rap, you know what I'm saying?
I bring that damn swagger and shit to the track, you feel me? But they got that fat fuck. You don't know what this shit. My bros know though.
Y'all enjoy the wave for real, man.
For real.
Alright. Any last words y'all want to tell the audience?
Just working.
Tune in. LDP.
Yeah, tune in.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned, cause it's gonna be more.
We about to do some, we about to have some crazy shit, y'all. Swear to God, yo.